This video shows you why and how you'd want to use external services, what the easy registration process looks like, and how to find the Apex actions from the service in a flow. Use external services to connect to a service of your choice with the help of a wizard. Then create a flow to invoke methods and use data from the external service in Salesforce. For example, you might want to connect to a credit service that determines if credit is extended to a Salesforce account. Or maybe you want new users to automatically become collaborators for all external org-related applications. In both cases, you can define your requirements using the External Services wizard with no need to directly touch the API or create an Apex class. Let's begin by going to Setup to find external services. In Quick Find, begin typing External Services and select it. To learn more about external services, check out the resources linked to from this page. We don't see much yet, so click on Add an External Service. Here's where we start registering our service, which we'll use to check credit. In External Service Name, we'll type Credit Service with no space. We already set up a named credential earlier, so in Select a Named Credential, we'll select Credit Schema. In Service Schema Relative URL, we'll type /schema. We could also provide a complete schema here instead by selecting Service Schema Complete JSON. Click Next. Now we can view the Apex actions generated from the schema. These inputs and outputs can now be used in Flow. We're now ready to create a flow with the generated actions, so we'll click Done. Pretty easy, huh? Now let's go to Flow. Click New Flow. To add the generated Apex actions from the service, we find Apex in the toolbox and drag it to the canvas. Choose the Apex action you want and click Done. Here's an example of what your flow might look like, where an order is looked up for a specific account to see if credit can be extended. We only scratched the surface here, so to learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.